a 3-year experienced person being involved, kind of, yeah. No. w- Now the yeah, the the exercise that I had in mind is just now to define a few rules that we would like if we were going to create a currency. What would be important for that currency, and more, what is the objective of that currency? I personally am in favor of creating a currency that will motivate people to work with each other, and make it easier for people to give me 15 minutes or half an hour of their time. But nothing else in mind, it's fine. But in the end, the ultimate goal would be to have this, a bit like in Ghent, a currency that is used specifically for the service area, maybe, where could go and buy digital services, where I could teach somebody how to use Facebook, for example, gain some coins, and use those coins to enroll my son into training, a robotic training, a kids camp somewhere else. Or I could give that to my nephew, and he would. I mean, that's my main objective here, is to facilitate cooperation, collaboration, push people into working with a digital something, and to learn how digital elements can be used. And then if it then leads to creating a business out of it, fine, but that's not really what my objective is. Yeah. So maybe we could take some of your points. First, what I would like to hear from you is, do you have other ideas that's worth working on it? Yeah, because we have some senior people here. Maybe we could split the group in different elements. So I see you have another idea.
Maybe. Okay, nice to meet you. My name is Geoffroy. So we have a ticketing platform. So we do sell tickets for the event industry. It's quite big. We had a good success last year. We came back from the US, and with Nico next to me, we were thinking about digitalizing, so tokenizing the drink tickets, because we know that there is a lot of problem with cash on events, and cash disappear, etc. And I'm 15 years. I built companies in high-tech companies since 15 years, but it's really difficult for me to get in. Nico's understand it better than me, because he's playing with token and buying crypto money and stuff. But the thing for me, which is hard to understand, and I want to, I mean, I'm not reluctant. I really want to go through it, and that's why, is that I done. So it was a good example when you say, okay, I can create a token very easily. I can exchange it, but then on an event, it means that I guess user has to download an app to or something that they can, because they need a wallet kind of to exchange their tokens. So you have to put them. So first question, how do you bring user on the system, like easily? Let's assume you are 100 people arriving at this event, and we want to sell beers and exchange tokens to sell beers. So how do we make sure that those 100 people are quickly on the infrastructure to exchange token in between themselves? And second question is, when people would like to buy more token, for example, today we use a platform called Stripe, where people can process a transaction, and Stripe take a commission fee, and so you pay through Stripe, we send you a ticket. How can we today allow user to buy quickly the token that we have created, so that, yes, the money that you want to prove that if there is 100 token, there is €100 in a bank account. How do you manage to get people pay to buy those tokens
Okay.
in a legal way?
On the first question, I think realistically, if you keep the system with simple rules, like the one I